Your eyes are not supposed to feel worse every morning. If you often wake up with hazy vision, dry eyes, or find it harder to focus on simple things around you, this is not just a normal part of getting older. It is a signal that your eyes are struggling to repair themselves as fast as they are being damaged. Across the country, millions of older adults quietly lose their sharp sight, especially at night, without ever being told the real reason why. Many doctors simply say it is part of aging, but deep down you may sense something else is happening within your body, something you might still have the power to change. The truth is that the foods you eat before you sleep can either damage your vision further or help rebuild it naturally during the night. This is not hype or exaggeration. It is simple biology. Your eyes are most active in repair mode when you rest. During sleep, your retina, macula, and optic nerves are busy healing from exposure to sunlight, blue light, dry air, and oxidative stress. But if your body does not have the nutrients it needs during this process, your eyes cannot complete their nightly restoration. That is when you wake up with dry, gritty eyes, or find that light hurts your eyes more than it used to. Sometimes even walking from a dark room to a bright hallway feels uncomfortable. This is one of the earliest signs that your eyes are aging faster than they should. Losing your night vision is not just inconvenient. It is an early warning sign of potential cataracts, macular degeneration, or even permanent vision loss if ignored. Yet there is still hope, and it may already be sitting right inside your kitchen in something as ordinary as a small jar of nuts. Today we are going to talk about 3 powerful nuts that when eaten at night can help your eyes repair themselves naturally. Each one is backed by science and tradition, and each provides the raw nutrients your eyes need to heal while you sleep. Let us start with the first one, the mighty walnut. For centuries, people have used walnuts to sharpen the mind and strengthen memory, and modern research now confirms they are also one of the best foods to protect the eyes. Walnuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids, particularly a plant-based kind, known as alpha-linolenic acid or ALA. Inside your body, ALA is converted into DHA, which is one of the main building blocks of the retina itself. Think of your retina as a sensitive film that captures every image you see. If this film becomes thin or damaged, your vision becomes blurry. Without enough omega-3 fatty acids, the retina cannot repair itself efficiently, especially at night. That is why many people over 60 experience gradual loss of night vision or struggle to read fine print even with glasses. Walnuts act like fuel for your retinal cells, allowing them to rebuild and strengthen overnight. Several studies published in respected scientific journals have shown that diets rich in omega-3 fatty acids help preserve the thickness of the retina, protect photoreceptor cells, and slow down age-related eye decline. You do not need large amounts either. A small handful of 5 to 7 walnuts before bedtime provides your eyes with a steady dose of healing fats. Make sure they are plain and unsalted, preferably raw, or lightly toasted to keep their natural oils intact. Avoid roasted nuts soaked in heavy oils or sugar coatings. Eating walnuts at night gives your eyes what they need at the precise time they begin their nightly restoration. Your body uses these healthy fats to repair rather than store them as body fat while you rest. So before you go to bed, think of your eyes as tiny repair crews waiting for the right materials to rebuild. Give them those materials and they will reward you with clearer, stronger vision in the morning. Now let us move to the second powerhouse nut, the vibrant green pistachio. Most people think of pistachios as just a fun snack at gatherings, but they are far more valuable when it comes to protecting your eyes from age-related decline. Pistachios are loaded with 2 unique antioxidants known as lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients are not found in high levels in most foods, but your macula, the central part of your retina, depends on them completely. The macula allows you to focus on details, recognize faces, and read clearly. It is like the lens of a camera. Over time, oxidative stress and blue light from screens can damage it, leading to blurred vision and sensitivity to light. Lutein and zeaxanthin act like natural filters inside your eyes, blocking harmful blue light and neutralizing free radicals before they can cause harm. Because the body cannot produce these antioxidants on its own, they must come from food, and pistachios are one of the richest natural sources. In addition, these small green nuts contain vitamin E, zinc, and copper, which support the regeneration of eye tissue and improve blood flow to the eyes. Another hidden advantage of pistachios is that they contain natural melatonin, the same compound that helps you fall asleep. So eating a small handful of pistachios before bed does more than protect your macula. It also encourages deeper and more restful sleep, allowing your eyes to repair themselves more efficiently. Just be sure to choose plain pistachios without salt or sugar. Artificial flavorings and added sodium can increase inflammation, which is the opposite of what you want. Around 25 to 30 pistachios eaten about an hour before bed is the perfect amount to nourish your eyes and calm your body for a night of deep healing rest. Pistachios help restore clarity, reduce the strain caused by blue light, and make your sleep more restorative so your vision wakes up feeling refreshed, not tired. Finally, let us talk about the third and perhaps most well-known nut, the almond. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, one of the most powerful antioxidants for protecting delicate eye tissues. Vitamin E shields your eyes from oxidative stress, the same process that causes the lens to cloud over and form cataracts. It also strengthens the membranes of eye cells, keeping them moist and resilient. A single ounce of almonds, roughly 23 nuts, provides nearly half of the daily recommended amount of vitamin E. When eaten regularly, they help the lens and retina stay clear longer by reducing the damage caused by UV light and environmental stress. Many seniors who add almonds to their nightly routine report less dryness, less morning irritation, and clearer vision when reading. Almonds work particularly well when combined with walnuts and pistachios, since together they create a complete nutrient support system for the eyes. To get the most benefit, choose raw or lightly roasted almonds without salt or coatings. Sugary or flavored almonds may taste good, but they can promote inflammation and undo much of the healing effect. Around 20 to 25 almonds about half an hour before bed is ideal. If chewing is difficult, you can soak them in water for a few hours to soften them. This simple change makes them easier to digest while preserving all their beneficial nutrients. Eating almonds before bed allows their vitamin E content to circulate through your system overnight, where it protects and repairs fragile eye tissues while you sleep. Now that you know which nuts can help keep your eyes strong and clear, the next step is learning how to combine them into one easy nightly ritual. This does not require counting calories or tracking nutrients. It is simply about creating a small, consistent habit that supports your body's natural rhythm of repair. About 30 to 60 minutes before bed, prepare what can be called a vision bowl. It contains a handful of each of the 3 nuts we discussed: 5 to 7 walnuts, 25 to 30 pistachios, and 20 to 25 almonds. Mix them together in a small bowl and keep it by your bedside or near your favorite chair so you can enjoy them as you unwind in the evening. There is no need for seasoning sugar or oil. If you prefer convenience, you can prepare several bowls ahead of time, one for each night of the week, and store them in small containers. That way it becomes a simple habit rather than something you need to think about every night. Eating this mix before bed ensures that your bloodstream is rich with omega-3s, vitamin E, lutein, and other antioxidants during your body's most active repair phase. This is the time when your eyes rebuild cells, refresh moisture levels, and restore clarity. You do not need to make any other major diet changes. You do not have to buy expensive supplements or eye drops. This is a gentle, natural way to help your body do what it already wants to do: heal itself. If you have sensitive digestion or find yourself feeling full before bed, you can divide the mix into 2 smaller portions, one after dinner and one closer to bedtime. What matters most is consistency. Stick with it for at least 7 nights in a row. Within the first few days, you may notice small changes like less dryness or easier adjustment to light in the morning. After a few weeks, many people report that their eyes feel more comfortable and their vision slightly clearer. Your body responds to care no matter your age, and your eyes are no different. Think of this nightly bowl not as a snack, but as a form of gentle nourishment for one of your most precious senses. Now take a moment to imagine how your mornings could feel after a month of this small habit. You wake up with eyes that feel refreshed instead of tired. You can read the morning paper without squinting. The sunlight streaming through the window feels comfortable, not harsh. Maybe you find yourself enjoying evening drives again or reading a book before bed without strain. These are the small joys that return when your eyes begin to heal naturally. Aging does not have to mean losing your independence or clarity. It just means learning how to give your body what it needs at the right time. I want to take a moment to speak from the heart. Many people believe it is too late to change once vision starts declining. They are told it is inevitable, that it is normal, that it is just what happens as the years go by. But that belief is not true. Your body, including your eyes, is designed to repair itself every single day. All it asks for is the right materials and a little patience. When you nourish your eyes with the right nutrients, even something as simple as a handful of nuts before bed, you begin to tip the scales back in favor of healing instead of decline. You might not see instant results, but slowly over time you will notice small improvements. Your eyes will feel more comfortable, more alive, more capable. You will start to notice details again, colors will appear brighter, and reading will become less of a strain. This is your body remembering how to function the way it was meant to. So as you move forward after reading this message, remember that your eyes are not failing you. They are asking for help. And now you know exactly how to give it. One small bowl before bed each night can make all the difference. You are never too old, and it is never too late to support your vision. Think of every night as an opportunity to heal, and every morning as a chance to see the world a little more clearly. If you have a friend or loved one struggling with fading eyesight, share this with them. Sometimes hope begins with the simplest things. You do not need fancy eye drops or costly supplements. Nature already gave you what you need in 3 small but powerful nuts. Walnuts to rebuild the retina, pistachios to guard the macula, and almonds to protect against cataracts and dryness. Together they form a natural trio that supports clearer vision, stronger eyes, and peaceful sleep. Start tonight and let this gentle routine remind you that healing is always possible. Your eyes are the windows through which you experience life. Protect them, nurture them, and they will serve you beautifully for many more years to come. Clear eyes, peaceful rest, and brighter mornings await you if you simply give your body the chance to repair itself one small handful at a time.